Hi everybody, just want to give you a quick review of this and that of this KitchenAid food processor, and also I also use this to ground coffee sometimes, or chia seeds and stuff like that. This is also a chia seed and coffee grinder. So how you would use it, you will put your either flax seeds or coffee, and then you will press it and it will grind it up. They both do a fairly similar job when it comes to grounding coffee or chia seeds, but this one I feel does a better job because I feel like the blade is better for coffee and flaxseed, whereas this one does a great job too, but it doesn't do quite as powdery coffee or flaxseed as I would want. But they both do a good job doing so. So it depends on what kind of consistency you want your powdered coffee or your flaxseed. This one is really good, and then the only thing though here is it only holds a small amount, whereas this one it holds about 5 cups. So it depends on what you use it for or what's your preference. But when it comes to grounding flaxseed and coffee, this is what I would use, and it's fast too and easy to clean. You just take this out. I can't switch it. Hang on 1 second. So you basically just twist this part and then it comes off, and you wash this whole thing, and it's stainless steel, and same as this one, just take it off, wash the blade and the pitcher, and you're all done. They both do similar jobs, but depending on what you actually use it for. Both are great products. Both I highly recommend.